Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the first app you want visible. This sets one half of the split. Once the app is active, bring up recent apps either with the navigation button or the gesture swipe. Make sure your color OS and system gestures are enabled in settings so the recent view works correctly. You do this to pin the first app. Without it, the system cannot assign the top or left pane. Next, look for the split screen icon on the app card. After tapping the split screen icon on the first app's card, the phone pins that app to one side and shows available apps for the other side. Choose the second app from recent or open it from the drawer. The system will place it in the opposite pane. Once both apps are present, adjust the divider by dragging the handle. This lets you allocate more space to the app you use most. Also, some Oppo models let you swap apps or pop one into a floating window if needed. To finish, close the split by dragging the divider fully to one edge or by closing an app. The remaining app returns to full screen. If split screen isn't available, go to Settings, Convenience Tools, or Multi-Screen and enable multi-window features because some phones require that toggle. If the split icon or gesture is missing, restart the phone and check for updates. One key tip: if an app explicitly blocks split mode, try a compatible alternative or use a floating window instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.